Welcome to Week 1, Session 2. Today you will edit with a checklist and set a clear goal for your GED RLA practice. On GED RLA, grammar appears inside real sentences. Your job is to find the error, name the rule, and choose the cleanest standard fix. Here are 5 common GED editing errors. Notice the pattern. The best correction is usually shorter, clearer, and more standard. Every editing mistake belongs in a bucket. Track agreement, pronouns, sentence boundaries, punctuation, word choice, and clarity so you can stop repeating the same errors. Pause and test this drop-down item. The subject is policy, not bored. Which verb fits without adding a new problem? The correct choice is has. Policy is singular, the phrase between commas is only an interrupter, and it adds a second subject. Now set your target. The GED passing score is 145, and you will aim there with 1 reading goal, 1 language goal, and 1 writing goal. Quick check. If a drop-down offers due to the fact that, owing to the fact that, or because, choose because. It is the clearest standard version. Before the next video, go to your course page at www.bridgetoexam.com. Read the full course material, then complete the practice questions so this skill sticks.